Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to show, transform, and move the anchor point in DaVinci Resolve. This is super useful when you need precise control over how your video clips rotate, scale, or animate, as the anchor point determines the center of those transformations. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, you'll find yourself on the main interface. Look down at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs for different workspaces. Go ahead and click on Edit. This switches you into the editing workspace where you'll have access to all the tools you need for clip manipulation and adjustments. Now, let's get the transform controls visible so you can work with them. On the left side of your interface, near the top of the viewer window, you'll notice a small rectangle icon positioned close to an arrow down button. This rectangle icon is your gateway to the transform controls. Click on it to activate the transform overlay. What this does is display the transform bounding box and anchor point directly on your video clip in the viewer, making it much easier to see what you're working with and how any adjustments will affect your footage. Once you've clicked that rectangle icon, you'll immediately see the transform handles appear on your video clip. These handles let you visually resize, rotate, or reposition your clip right there in the viewer. More importantly, you'll now see the anchor point displayed as well, which is that central reference point that all transformations pivot around. Now let's move on to actually adjusting the anchor point itself. On the top right side of your screen, locate and click on Inspector. The Inspector panel is where DaVinci Resolve houses all the detailed properties and settings for your selected clip. Once the Inspector opens, scroll down until you find the section labeled Transform. This is where all your positional and transformation parameters live. Under the Transform section, you'll see two specific settings, Anchor Point X and Anchor Point Y. These represent the horizontal and vertical positions of your anchor point. Simply adjust these values by clicking on them and typing in new numbers, or by dragging the sliders to move the anchor point wherever you need it. As you adjust these values, you'll see the anchor point shift in real time on your clip in the viewer, giving you precise control over where transformations will originate from. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the transform overlay and learned how to move the anchor point in DaVinci Resolve. This gives you complete control over how your clips behave when you scale, rotate, or animate them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.